Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can transform your horrible dark garage lighting from this to this amazing lighting. Stay tuned. What's going on, guys? Hope you're all having an amazing day and welcome back to the channel. So today we have a great project for any garage junkie that loves to spend their valuable time in here. We're going to be getting rid of their stark yellow, old-fashioned looking lighting that comes usually stock with your garage and upgrading it to this Baron LED light kit that's going to brighten this garage up and make it look literally amazing. I hope you guys like the video and let's get to it. Alright guys, let's open this up and let's see what the lights look like inside. I ordered 8 of them, so I'll be putting 8 around my garage. Yep, we got 8, so we ordered. They're extremely light. So this is the light, and there's an open connector at each end. Hopefully you guys can see that. That you plug the power source to. So this end goes right there, like that. And this end goes into your power source up in the ceiling. And then you have a switch that you can turn on and off. How I'm going to do it, I'm going to wire my switch to power this on, so I don't got to use this switch. And then you can also hardwire it like that. Same thing, you connect it and then hardwire it instead of plugging it into an outlet. And then these right here, this is what you use to go from light to light basically. So you can connect them all into series. And they can all get connected from one end, and then you can connect the next light to it as well. Just like that. Then you have 2 lights connected together. I believe this is about 3 feet apart from each other. I'll measure and I'll put all the description below, or maybe just like a text under this video of how long each thing is and how long the light strips are. Okay, so let's start measuring out where we want to put it in the garage and then start working. Alright guys, so each strip, LED strip is 46 inches, so 2 inches shy of 4 feet. So that's that. And then the extension cable is 47 inches. The extension from one LED to the other, 47 inches. So the next step, hold on, let me take this off the... So the next step is to mount these on the ceiling, figure out how far away from each other they need to be. Here's my plan. So my plan is to have 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side, and then the other 4 going 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna be 4 and 4, and then I might leave that light in, and then whatever that produces, but those two are just garbage. They're not doing much. So let me start measuring and then we'll start mounting. Took the light out right there. That's my neutral. This is my hot. That gets activated by my switch down there. Once I flip that switch, the red gets power. And this is a constant hot with a 14.3 for that outlet to constantly have power. So I'm gonna connect my hard wire to the red wire. I'm gonna connect my hard wire with the red and white wire and then cap that off and then start my first light over there and then go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I first have to find the centers of the walls. So this is what I'm gonna do right here. So basically my garage has 4 squares already like measured out with the lines of how the concrete was poured. So I'm gonna do 2 in each block, 2 in each square. And so that comes out perfectly too. Skip that one, put a light right there. Skip that one, put a light right there. And this one's right in the center. Right in the center. So I'm gonna go skip that one, put a light right there. Skip that one, put a light there. And I'm gonna do that the same exact thing on this side too. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So my center was 57.5 because all I did was just measure from that line to the center here, and from that line to the center there, and 57.5 is the centers. And then I marked, let me see where it was, I think it was on this one. I marked my center of my LED kit, the strip. So I marked my center right there, and then I'm gonna mark up my center right there, and then line these up together, and that's how I'm gonna get it perfectly right in the center. Okay. So these clips also came in the kit. I forgot to show you guys. You mount it like that, and then you mount it like this facing down. Like that, and then you just clip the light bulb on it. And you use these screws right here to tighten it onto the ceiling. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so there's one clip. Here's the other clip. Now, I'm sorry, I can't do everything with one hand. It's kind of hard. I wish I had somebody else recording me to show you guys everything, but I'm gonna try my best. So, you take that. So you clip one end, and that's it. They just clip right there. Alright, so here's the first problem I've already ran into. Sorry. Here's the first problem that I've already ran into. So this is the hard wire connector. But that is not going to be long enough. So I need a hard wire right there to the light box. And plug that connector into the end of that. That is not going to fit. That's not going to be long enough. Unless I move that light all the way over, which I really don't feel like doing, because I know an easier way. So I'm just gonna cut this connector. That's not the hardwired one. I'm gonna cut it right here and then just splice it onto right there. Same thing as this. So here, I'm gonna try recording and show you guys how I'm gonna do it. You're gonna have to cut this end off, just like that. Use the stripper, and then cut this wire open like that. But now you're gonna connect it up there to your light source. Alright, like I said guys, this is very hard to do with one hand and actually work. So I'm just gonna show you step by step how I'm doing things and not actually in the motion of doing it. So I'm gonna take this other black wire and connect it to my light switch right here. And I already connected my neutral with neutral. Moment of truth. Once I plug this in and turn the switch on, it should all work. 1 second. Okay, plugged it in. Connection connected. Switch is turned on, and now I gotta turn this switch on. Look at that. It actually worked. Okay, as you guys can see, it actually worked, which is pretty cool. And now I'm gonna time lapse the whole entire thing until I'm completely done, because I don't think you guys need to see everything. Plus it's really hard, like I said, and it's like probably 100 degrees in my garage. So let me time lapse it and then I'll show you guys the final result. Oh my God, look at how amazing this freaking looks. Look how bright these lights are. You can literally see everything in my garage right now. I freaking love it. I know it's probably a week late since I finished the install, but that's because the day was just so hot and the day was just so long. I just wanted to get it finished, and then the very next day I would do the outro. Well, that didn't happen. So here's the outro. I hope you guys love this video as much as I liked installing and working on these lights. It definitely made the garage look really, really bright. So now working at night wouldn't be an issue. I can perfectly work in here, work on my car, work on whatever I'm doing in the garage, and not have to worry about having poor lighting. So, like I said, I'll have the description of these lights in the description below. You guys can go make that purchase off Amazon. They're amazing lights. They're not expensive at all, and anyone can literally install them. So, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.